Have you ever asked yourself, what is a Twitch rate? What is a Twitch host? What are the differences? What is the better option? Then you came to the right place. Hey guys, I'm Lumi. I'm a full-time streamer on twitch.tv. So let us talk a little bit about rates. A rate basically brings all of your current viewers of your live stream to another channel. One important thing to note is it actually only brings viewers who are connected to your stream with a real Twitch account. So people who watch from a host, I will explain the host later, and people who watch without an account won't be counted as a raider. It only counts for actual accounts that exist on Twitch. And if you ask yourself now, how do I actually do it? It's really easy. You basically just go to your open browser tab, which you should always have, while you live stream, and you type in /rate. You press spacebar and then the channel name of the channel you want to rate, and you hit enter. Yeah, and if you didn't had a typo in your rate command, then you will see a little timer ticking down in the right corner. It will gather all the viewers that will participate in the rate. As a viewer, you can actually deny the rate. If you don't want to be part of for whatever reason, you can just drop out of the rate and you won't be counted. Once the timer ticked down, you and all your viewers will be connected to the rated person's chat. Another important note is a raid is always also a host. You will have an ongoing host on your channel side until you end the host or the raided or hosted person goes offline. Now let's talk about a host. A host basically skips the raid aspect. So you don't bring your people over to the other person's chat. You will just streamline that other person you chose to host on your own page. Basically what will also happen after a raid. But the people will stay connected to your chat. So if people chat, even though they see the rated/hosted person on the screen, the chat will only appear on your Twitch page. Very important. So people are not connected to the chat of the rated person. They do count as a viewer, but as I said, they won't be connected to the chat. So to put the differences in more simple terms, imagine your stream being like a studio, where your viewers are with you in the studio watching you. And with a raid, you basically bring your people with you to the other studio of that other streamers. While a host only showcases the other person's stream inside your own studio, like on a monitor or something. I hope this makes sense. Now to the question, what do I personally prefer? To me, it is a raid, because I like the whole community aspect of it, where you can bring your people and where you actually spam emotes, where you spread love, where you spread positivity. I basically always tell people to leave something nice, just say hello, be a decent human being, make the person feel good. While a host can't accomplish that, because people are still stuck in your chat basically. They have to actively click on the channel. You can do that from the host screen. You can click on the channel name to be connected to the chat, but they have to do that step first. And it kind of takes away of the community experience, in my opinion. And there's also another important downside. I remember once I had a big host, a host with a lot of viewers, more than I averagely have, and my stream immediately crashed afterwards, thanks to the wonderful internet providers in Germany. Yeah, and what happens with the host? The host gets immediately stopped, and all those viewers, they didn't even get the chance to click on my channel, to be connected to my chat. So I basically went from 600-ish viewers back to my regular view count, which is quite unfortunate, right? While when you disconnect after a raid, the people are still connected to your chat. It's the same basically when you go offline. People will still be connected to the chat. If you reconnect to your stream or if you start your stream again, all those people are still your viewers basically. While when the host just ends, the people are just gone, sadly. So if you ask me, always go for a raid. Think about something nice you can do with your community. Maybe you have like a heart emote, a personalized heart emote that you can spam. Just make the person feel awesome and validated. I think this is something cool that you can do with your community together. By the way, if you wonder about the spin wheel in the background, the spin wheel is an integral part of our Friday streams called Freaky Friday. Maybe you should check them out someday. I swear, the wheel is not there to cover up my messy kitchen at all. Trust me. Okay, I hope we covered all the basics of a raid and a host. Obviously, if you have questions, shoot them down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. You would help me out a lot. With that being said, have a wonderful rest of your day. Lumi out. Oh, at least some bada booms. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. What the fuck? Oh, that was bada boomlicious.